All right, let's talk about something I'm sure we've all seen. You've got this brilliant, game-changing technology strategy, right? It looks perfect on the whiteboard, but then it just fizzles out somewhere on the way to the real world. So today, we're going to tackle exactly that. We're talking about how to bridge that massive gap between a great idea and, actually getting it done.
I mean, why does this happen? It's a question that honestly keeps leaders up at night. You've got the vision, you've got the budget, you've even got a super talented team. So why does that initial momentum just stall? It's a huge problem, and it costs companies literally billions in wasted time, wasted resources, and missed opportunities every single year.
And this brings us right to the heart of the issue. It's what we call the strategy to execution gap. You can think of it as this treacherous space where all those ambitious goals run headfirst into the messy reality of implementation. And let me tell you, it's where way too many incredible projects just get completely stuck. So what's really going on here? Well, it's this core disconnect. And look, it's not just a technical problem, not at all. It's a communication problem. You've got your business leaders totally focused on the why, the business outcome. And then you've got your technical teams deep in the weeds of the how. When those two worlds don't connect, that's when you get the delays, the budget overruns, and, worst of all, a final product that just completely misses the mark.
Okay, so how do we fix this? How do you build a bridge over that gap? Well, the answer is a structured framework that was designed to solve this exact challenge, and it's called the Accelerate Framework.
So what is Accelerate, really? Well, think of it as a structured, super high-intensity program that basically forces alignment. This isn't just another workshop you're going to forget about next week. No way. It's a rapid enablement system that pulls your business, your technology, and your data teams all together to make absolutely sure everyone is marching in the same direction, and marching fast.
The whole process is built around two really distinct, focused sprints. First up, you've got the Activate sprint. That's where we get your strategy and alignment completely locked in. Then, right after that, we jump into the Experience sprint, which translates that strategy into a real, tangible prototype. It's designed to take you from a plan on paper to a working solution. And the best part? It all happens in just a matter of days.
All right, let's dive a little deeper into that first crucial phase, strategy activation. This is all about one thing: getting everyone, and I mean everyone, on the exact same page before a single line of code gets written.
So during this Activate sprint, you've got business leaders, data experts, and tech teams all in the same room. It's all done through these really collaborative workshops where they hash out the real scope, they assess what the organization is actually ready for, and they create one single shared adoption plan. The result here isn't some vague mission statement. No, it's a concrete, achievable roadmap that every single person has bought into.
Okay, so now you've got a solid plan in place. It's time to make it real. This brings us to Sprint 2, and this is where that strategic blueprint becomes a working solution that you can actually see, touch, and feel.
Honestly, this is where the magic happens. The Experience Sprint is super hands-on. We're talking about your own team, guided by experts, building a working prototype directly in your own cloud environment. It doesn't matter if it's a new data warehouse or an AI platform. And let's be clear, this is not a demo. This is your team building your solution on your platform. It's all about empowering them to build, test, and deploy it themselves, which creates that crucial sense of ownership right from the get-go.
And this really shows you the power of this two-sprint system. It's like a 1-2 punch. The Activate sprint defines the why and gets all the stakeholders united. Then the Experience sprint immediately follows up by building the how and empowering your technical teams with a real prototype. It's just a totally seamless handoff from strategy straight into execution.
Okay, let's talk deliverables. You've gone through this intensive 8-day program. What do you actually walk away with at the end? What are the concrete, tangible outcomes?
First, and this is absolutely crucial, you walk away with an actionable adoption roadmap. It's clear, it's prioritized, and it was co-created by every single key stakeholder. You know what that means? The debates are over, the path forward is set.
Next up, you don't just get a piece of paper. You get a working, production-like workload built for your exact use case. And it's running in your own environment. Think about that. This de-risks the project in a massive way and proves that the solution is viable from day one.
And maybe the most valuable outcome of all is this: your teams are now fully aligned and enabled. The business folks understand the technical path, and the tech folks understand the business goals. Everyone's speaking the same language.
They have the hands-on knowledge and that shared vision to carry the project forward with real, genuine confidence.
You know, the real beauty of this framework is its versatility. It doesn't matter if you're kickstarting a complex cloud migration, enabling a new data and AI platform, or just rapidly prototyping a new application. Accelerate gives you the structure you need to get it done right, and to get it done fast.
All right, so let's wrap this all up. What does this rapid enablement methodology really mean for your organization? What's the big takeaway here?
It really all comes down to this simple, powerful promise: taking your team from strategy to implementation fast. It's all about eliminating that critical disconnect between your business and your tech teams. It's about focusing your entire organization's energy on one single, achievable roadmap that delivers real value and does it quickly.
And that just leaves us with one final question for you. I want you to think about your own projects, your own teams. Are you seeing that same gap between strategy and execution? And if the answer is yes, are you ready to finally close it?